Didn't see part one? Well, you should stop this video and go check that out, especially if you want to see all the behind the scenes and all the difficulties that we had to do to get to this point. I'm going to show you how we built and turned this shower into the one-of-a-kind feature in the entire world.
Okay, so before I took my break, I was able to finish the fiber coat. Now you're probably wondering, that's not finished. That's not finished. But technically, I'm finished because, frankly, I don't know where the glass just arrived. I gotta bring that in to see exactly where that lines up so I don't accidentally go beyond the glass and impede the door. So I've done the base, that should be perfectly fine. And now what I'm gonna do is pick a wall, essentially. Just because I already started there and I know it's fully set, is I am thinking about doing this wall first. From there, I got plenty of stuff to do, but I think today, my goal is to really just finish one wall. It's a lot, but I wanna make sure I do it right. See how everything turned out. Yeah, that's clean. I gotta be done everything in here. So I have a lot of work to do with a very short period of time to do it, especially since I'm mixing on my own. If I had a mixer, this would be nothing. This is a very, very small project. But the fact that I have to travel with the mud myself, I'm only able to fit 1 or 2 bags in here, rinse and repeat. It takes a little bit, not gonna lie. So Daddy's building a cave shower. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Do you like what you see so far?
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you like the cave?
Yeah.
Okay, big moment for me. It is time to remove the tape. Okay, final piece. We got the glass in. Looks amazing. Now we just need the door. Okay, so it might feel a little bit backwards, but we finally got the last bit of cement in. We had to do that after the glass was in and after all the plumbing and the actual shower itself was in. I'll show you what I did here is we've put this piece in. Actually, I had to recess that. I should have thought about that ahead of time. We carved around the plumbing. We actually had to extend that out a bit. Chip that one in. Quite like the look of it. Thankfully this was just a very subtle touch. And then after we tested it, there was this tiny little patch right here that was holding a little bit of water. Everywhere else drained perfectly, so I feel good about that. We got our glass in. That itself was nerve-wracking because frankly, I don't make flat things, and I was supposed to make the walls extremely flat. Now that one was pretty darn flat, pretty good. But this one had a tiny little area right here that stopped it from coming back in to be perfectly plumb and level.
Hi everyone, and welcome to our bathroom tour. We've been working really hard these past few months, and we're very excited to show you everything that we came up with for this space. Our number one priority when we took on this renovation was to try and open up the room a little bit. So prior to the cave being here, we had walls that separated and it made the room feel small and closed off. So the main feature here is we decided to put in these 3 glass panels. This lets you see the cave as more of an art piece and a part of the room, and it really opens up and brightens the space. So the cave itself is the full length of the room, and we did opt for both his and her shower heads. You'll see they're at different heights to match our personal preferences. And when you step in here, you can see we have a little bench. It can be used as a shaving your legs nook. We've embedded crystals that we sourced from all over Southern Ontario. They can be used as shelves for product holding, and then we also have some that are specifically just for decor aesthetic, bringing in the more natural elements to the space. And then we did hide some storage where it's not seen from the outside. So we have some nooks here for products, hooks over here on the glass. Right outside of the shower, we have a toothbrush and toothpaste station. They auto sanitize. We have a large medicine cabinet, 36 inches, which holds a lot of products. And then we have this vanity, which we sourced from Wayfair. We put this backsplash to match the color of the floors, which is more of that beige, rough, natural brick. And the floors we did make heated, so that way in the winter when you come in, it's nice and warm on your feet. And we did need the space to be very practical, so here we have a laundry hamper, and then we hardwired in this heated towel warmer, so in the winters when you get out of the shower you have a nice warm towel. One of our favorite pieces is my husband's mom's painting, which we scanned and printed on poster board and put behind this photo frame, which also acts as extra storage. So we have toilet paper and then items we don't want on display. This toilet we really love. We used it in another renovation, so we had to get it for here. It has a bidet, it has heated seats, heated water, which is nice. And it also auto opens and closes, so you're never having to touch a toilet seat, and it auto sanitizes and cleans itself. In this tight space behind the toilet, we really wanted to utilize it. I don't like when plungers are out on the floor, it feels really unsanitary. So we've hidden it behind a little recessed nook here. We've got a plunger, toilet bowl cleaner, and the solution to use for the toilet, and they just sit on Z clips.
Overall, very, very happy with the total look.
And we hope you love it as much as we do.
All right, stamp of approval. What a wonderful experience to be able to actually shower for the first time in a cave. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and on to the next.